Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 3. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. Just got a short announcement to make on our website, breakawaysc.com. If you're interested, we got 6 case breaks going tonight of Rookie Anthology. They're all team select breaks. So you click on the group breaks tab and you click on the Rookie Anthology team select break button. It'll take you right to the page. So as I said, there's 6 cases, all 12 box cases. So it shows you how to get to our breakers.tv channel and how to make payment. So basically, there's predetermined prices per team. So in case break number 1, we still have Buffalo left, they're 40 bucks, and so on and so on. So you just basically pay for the team that you want. So if you're interested, check us out. We're going live tonight. So if you're interested, you can send us payment. Just make sure in the when you send payment, just so put it what team you're looking for. So that being said, let's get on with the break. There we go. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, score base of Thomas Vanek for the Canadians. We have a rookie 161 and a 299 of Dave Jasinski for the Senators. Hot rookies of Matt Nito for the Sharks. And we got a Prism rookie of Ryan Murray for the Blue Jackets. Hot rookies of Nikita Zadorov for the Sabres. And you got a rookie selection for the Ducks of Frederik Andersen, 244 to 249. Hot rookies Ryan Murray for the Blue Jackets. And we got a Prism base of Corey Schneider for the Devils. A score base of Danny Alfredson for the Red Wings. And we got a nice hit Prism rookie of Rasmus Ristolainen for the Sabres. Parallel is number 1 of 10. Got a rookie gear prime jersey, 39 of 50 of Matt Dumba for the Wild. And we got hot rookies of Kevin Connaughton for the Stars. And we got a base card of Clutterbuck for the Islanders. Score hot rookies of Matt Dumba for the Wild. And we have Redemption. Cromwell update rookie silhouette of Jason Missian. I'll have to check on the checklist to see what card team that goes to. I don't even know. It's kind of sad. Rookies of Josh Levo for the Leafs. And we got a select rookie of Connor Allen for the Rangers. Got hot rookies black of Ollie Mata We have a nice hit for the Canadians. Jersey autograph from Luxury Suite. Brandon Gallagher. It is number 5/99. And last pack. And a rookie select of Luke Glennon for the Red Wings. And we got a Prism rookie of Jamie Tardy for the Sabres. There we go. So let me just check the checklist for the Crown Royal Update Rookie Silhouette. It's card number 205. So that card goes to the Rangers, right from the checklist on the website. Right there, card number 205 of Jason Missian. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.